What's the difference between cross and isolated? So isolated, um, if for example you have two isolated margin, not cross. Say for instance, XRP tanked and it liquidated you. So you lost out, you had to get liquidated and you lost out. It would not affect your BAT, right? This would still be open as a trade. The difference with cross, okay, is if it's a cross margin trade, okay, you have to use your whole account as collateral. So if XRP tanked and you were liquidated on XRP, you get liquidated on your whole account, not just XRP. So if you're on isolated, all of your margin positions move separately from one another, so you can manage them separately. But as cross, you've got to manage all of your positions as all one position. It is very risky. It is very risky. But the benefits of cross, like the benefits of it, is you say for instance, XRP goes up and BAT goes up, right? So say you're now say $200 in profit here, and you're in $200 profit here. Net on your positions, you're up $400 unrealized, but you can use that $400 to trade with, even though it's unrealized. And this is why cross can be very profitable. It's because you can be in an unrealized position in unrealized profit, but you can use that profit before you take it to open up another trade on cross. And then if that goes up, you can use that profit to open up another position. You can have all these positions open on cross margin. It is very risky, very fucking risky. You got to be well on top of your risk management. I don't use cross. I just use isolated because then I can manage every individual margin position as its own position. And then they all move irrespective of each other and they do not impact each other. Whereas cross is all fucking like, it's how could you even put this into a spreadsheet? How could you even put that into a fucking spreadsheet, So you see now why I wouldn't want to go and accumulate with the investor's mindset on cross. It's because if I was on KuCoin and I had XRP and I was holding that indefinitely with margin in and out, and I had other positions on KuCoin, it would try and use those other positions as collateral as well, and I wouldn't want that. So that's why I went with XRP. That's why I didn't go with Crow, sorry, on KuCoin, is because of this. you know. I should really clip that. I should clip that explanation between cross and isolate. I should really clip that. Have you done hedge mode with cross? It virtually eliminates liquidation price, but I don't understand more. I know, mate. I've never fucked with it. I never fucked with it. Like I don't mess with cross because it's just too much of an unknown for me. I don't